Hey Dad, today is the 4th of July fireworks anniversary, can I go there?
No, you certainly not.
Aw man, why not?
Because you were grounded for a whole eternity. You don't declare going to the celebrating place. Now get out of my sight immediately, you brat.
Screw you Dad. God, this ain't fair. My dad won't let me have fun at going to the 4th of July fireworks position. This is so demeanor outrage hyperly. I know, I will sneak off to the 4th of July plane anniversary to see the coolest fireworks. Ha 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 ha. Hi Roblox and Aiken Fish.
Oh hi James, you are just in time to see the fireworks showing up.
Yeah, glad you're here my best friend.
Attention boys and girls and ladies and gentlemen, the fireworks is about to begin in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Hold it right there, son. Where on earth have you been? Please do not tell me you have been 4th of July without my permission.
As a matter of fact, Dad, yes I did.
James, I told you not to go to the 4th of July fireworks while you're grounded, but you disobey me. That's it, I had enough with you. You were grounded till 18 days. Now march to your room now and think about what you did.